So for number 26, okay, you are going to factor this, okay? So now you may say, like a typical way of factoring this is, well, what two numbers could multiply to 4 and what two numbers can also add to -4. Okay, so now, but the way I see it is this. Well, when you do more, you become sensitive. You get very familiar with these looks. This is exactly, it resembles the look of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. Because of this, I would know it is a minus b squared. In this case, the a term is your x, the b term is your 2. So if you do more, you get this senses, okay? Your brain will register, but only if you put your heart into it, okay? And you will have x minus 2 equals 0 because you can think about this. You can take square root on both sides. Or you think about, well, how do you get this statement true? How do you make 0? Well, the x has to be 2. All right? To make the statement true, x has to be 2. So I've been trying to emphasize the whole meaning of solving is to make a statement true. That's the game changer for my math journey. Before that, I had no idea what in the world I was doing because I was just scribbling something down, and every time I got my test or quizzes back, it was miserable. But and then I realized that, oh yeah, when it says factor, it means factor. When it says solve, it means to solve, and they carry meanings, and you take care of the meanings there. Okay.